There was a time when the world had no money. People only had goods, and they exchanged those goods with each other. One person caught fish, another grew crops, and they followed the barter system, trading goods for goods. But soon a big problem appeared. What if the farmer didn't need fish? What if the fisherman needed rice, but the farmer wanted shoes? People realized there had to be a better way. Slowly, humans discovered the idea of a common value system, something everyone would accept, and this led to the creation of metal coins made from gold, silver, and bronze. Now people didn't need to exchange fish for rice. They could simply buy both using a single coin. Coins soon became a symbol of power, trade, and wealth. But coins were heavy, and large business transactions became difficult to carry, so a new idea was needed. Trade expanded. People began traveling across countries, and carrying bags of coins was risky and tiring, so another invention arrived: paper money. China was the first to introduce it, and later Europe developed banking systems. People deposited their coins in banks, and in return, banks gave them promise notes, which we now know as currency notes. This was the beginning of the modern financial system. Money was no longer just for buying and selling, it became the engine of economic growth. Banks introduced savings accounts, loans, interest systems, and checks. The Industrial Revolution began, factories grew, businesses turned global, and the world economy started running on banking networks. Time moved forward, and people asked another question: what if we could spend money without carrying cash? This created debit cards and credit cards, also known as plastic money. Now money stayed in the bank, and the card became the key. But the biggest revolution was still on its way. Then came the internet and smartphones. Money transformed again, from paper into digital numbers. We entered the era of online banking, mobile wallets, and digital payments, with systems like UPI, PayPal, Bcash, and Nagad. Today, money is not only what we hold in our hands, it is also what we see on our screens, and the world began moving toward a cashless society. Then came the boldest innovation: blockchain and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin proved that money could exist without banks, inside a decentralized digital network. Some people call it the future of finance, others say it is risky, but one thing is certain: the future of money is digital. From ancient barter trade to shiny coins to paper currency to digital wallets, the story of money is the story of human progress. And just like technology, money will keep evolving, changing shape, becoming smarter, because one truth will always remain: money changes, the system changes, but knowledge is the real wealth. Don't just earn money, learn how money works, because financial awareness is the first step toward true financial freedom.